I'm out in the garden right now, and let me zoom out a little bit. And this is one of the, it's not really chimes, it's just garden art. One of the things I made. It's got the spoon here, all sorts of little charms. This is what I'm so happy about though. I have a Lady Banks rose again. I had one at the old house that was so huge. This one is this will be the third year, I think, for this one. And let me see if I can back up a little, and show you. So it is really beginning to climb. You can see the growth here. It's so pretty. So it is now at the top of the arbor, and that's exciting. I thought we would never get to this point. I've been doing a lot of cleaning out here. You can see the goldfish, maybe. You can see them a little bit right in there. They're coming to the top to eat. Now I do see 4. I had 5 before winter came. The fish are very timid right now, but I do think I lost one. Oh, hi, Chester Drawers. You coming over here to the garden? He's never been allowed to come in here. And I don't know if we should start now. Sorry, Mr. Drawers. Love you, buddy. Love you. Love you, Chester. I've done a lot of cleaning up out here. That's the greenhouse. And pine, those little pods everywhere. But I do see seeds coming through, which I'm so excited about. This section here is going to be the butterfly garden. You can see a snapdragon here. I had to dig this out of the ground and pot it. That's a gold leaf or gold flame spirea. The deer would not leave it alone, even though they're not supposed to bother it. What else do we have? That I need to deadhead and pot. Those are some of the plants that I found on clearance, and they should bloom all season and be pretty. Got one tomato plant. Now I'm a bit baffled by this bed. I planted peas over here, which I normally have great success with. You can see potatoes coming through the ground. I did harvest some potatoes from here not too long ago. They overwintered. The peas never came through. They were new seeds, organic, and I just don't know what happened. I don't know why they haven't come through. It can take up to 2 weeks for them to germinate, but they didn't. And I don't know why. So I'm gonna give them another, I keep thinking I might see something, but that doesn't look like peas. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna give them maybe a few more days, and if they don't sprout, I'm gonna plant something else. This looks pretty. That's climbing Carolina aster. This is one of my hellebores. The other one's gone. I put it out in the yard as a test, and it's just completely gone. So I'm gonna have to keep things inside fence if I want them to live. For some reason, rosemary does not do well in this soil. So I don't know, I might need to pot that up. I don't know if it's too acidic with all the pine pods and the pine needles. I'm definitely on a sharp learning curve here. But then coming back around this way, got the pretty little geranium, and I have a rock garden. Hopefully that's gonna do okay. It turned off cold, as they say in the South, so I don't know if all that stuff is gonna be okay. I have a mandevilla here, which I bought last year at the end of the season. I bought one and I absolutely loved it. So that should climb up here and then run across this and cover. This is my uncovered greenhouse, and it's truly the greenhouse because this is where I grow my greens for salads. That's okay. I just planted that in March. Something's been eating that. I don't really know what to think about that. And then we have more starting to grow here. There's a yellow bell bush. We've got some echinacea planted right there. And then cucumbers, we shall see if they sprout. I planted some snapdragon seeds. That says beefsteak, but I think that's more greens. I don't think the tomato ever sprouted. Got some lilies down here that are going to bloom. And this is my new peach tree. I'm so excited. It's fenced in. I want to make something decorative to run from this little post here to wrap around this and go down here. I'm going to put bright, shiny beads on it. It's going to be more garden art because the deer eat everything. They eat everything. And if they can get their head over this and get to this tree, which I think they can, I was hoping that this will deter them, and even this. But I think I need something else. Anyway, look at this. I think we've got peaches on here. I'm so excited. It's a little branch that I need to maybe prune. I don't know. Could I get another plant to grow from these? I don't know that much about it. And then we have arugula that went to seed out here pretty much. But that's okay. I'm happy about that. Oh, I see a zip tie that I need to keep. Got some petunias here. Oh, this is my favorite time of year. All of this is going to burst into flowers and vegetables, and it's going to be amazing. I need to order a new barrel for the fish. Hi, Chester. Chester, you doing okay? Are you wanting to come in? Yeah, I feel like that would be a bad idea for some reason. So then we go around this little narrow walkway, and it opens up again to another fenced-in area. This is where I have viney things that will grow. I've planted butternut squash and loofah gourds. We've got some different kinds of cucumbers. I need to put that in a pot. I think that that's some kind of dianthus. That is absolutely beautiful. That's a black astilbe. What is the name of that? It's really dark. Does it say the name on here? Dark Side of the Moon. And it has been so pretty. This is its 3rd year. So I need to pay attention to it. Might need to repot it at some point. That was a clematis that, who knows, I just have not had luck with it. I ran this up around the post just in case there's any life there. This rose is going to be gorgeous. Look at all the buds. I can't wait to see it. We've got some basil. We've got chard. Mustard that I planted, that was back in October. And hopefully it'll come out. Now this, I'm a little annoyed with myself. And I'm hoping this will come out. This was a gorgeous cucumber plant. And then I forgot to plant it. So I let it dry out. And then in addition to that, it's gotten kind of cold the last few nights. But we're gonna leave it because I do see a pretty leaf right there. And we'll just see what happens to it. There's a tomato. And I've got so much more I want to plant. And then there's the beautiful woods beyond. We have irises out there that are gonna bloom. That's our pet garden, our little pet cemetery with the kitty cats, and that's where Typewriter is. And then my little walking trail, my moss-covered trail out through the woods. I love it. All right, see you later. Bye for now.